guys, karibuni tena. Yes, like I had told you, if you're my friend on Facebook, I had shared that I wanted to show you how I normally skip in the morning, and this is how I normally do it. But before I even begin, I want to share with you some few tips that I have picked along the way. The first thing is that you need to invest in a very good sports shoes, because you do not want to hurt your knees, you do not want to hurt your ankles or your heels. So you do not want to jump on, you know, rubber shoes or normal shoes, or you do not want to jump barefooted. The other thing you need to invest on is a very good sports bra. You need to have a good sports bra that is holding everything into place. The other thing you need to invest on, or rather that you need to do, is make sure that you're not jumping on a bare floor, rather, you know, concrete. Don't do it on a concrete floor or tiled floor. What you want to do is carpet the area where you'll be jumping from. Do not have the exercising mats to carpet the area. You can do it with a carpet. Like myself, what I have done, carpeting the area with a runner. So when you're skipping, you'll be making mistakes. So don't stop when you make those mistakes. If you make mistake, carry on. Ukikanyanga kamba, continue. So today I will be doing 500 skips. When I started with 200, but that was during the first week, and I have been gradually adding to that during the last 2 weeks. So from today, that is, and then henceforth, I'll be working towards the 1,000 skips a day. So without wasting much of your time and without saying much, let's get into this. And this is how we lose this weight. This is how we are going to tackle these giants. Yes, then before I forget, the other thing you do not want to do is jump. You don't want to jump like that. You have to be gentle. You have to jump gently. Can you saw it's some sort of bouncing? It's like you're bouncing, or however you want to do it. But anyway, whatever works for you, this is what works for me. Thank you guys for watching up to this far. That's my 500 for today. I would also encourage you to do the same. Get, or rather challenge yourself into a challenge or an exercise. It's not necessarily for losing weight, but just to keep in shape. and I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and please give this video a thumbs up, and let me hear what you've been doing to keep fit or to lose your weight, and what are your challenges when you're doing it. So yeah, see you next in the next video. Thank you very much for